Hey, hi everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Ankit Kumar Singh. I am currently a final year student at Army Institute of Technology, Pune. I am pursuing information technology. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to my latest project, latest assignment, that is the Grow Stock app. This app is designed to provide user with a seamless and intuitive experience for exploring and tracking stocks and ETFs. Basically, I have developed this application in React Native, and in this demo we have two major sections. First is where I am showing you the PPT, and then I will show you the demo. In this PPT I will let you know what I have integrated inside the application. Cool. So these are the table of contents. We have six major content here. First is introduction, basically, then the explore screen, then we'll funnel out the product screen, then I will let you know how I'm handling states, then how I'm optimizing recent searches and all over optimization, and at the end I will let you know how I'm integrated the brownie point of the dynamic themes. So basically, this is my basic introduction. Myself, Ankit Kumar Singh, and I am final year student at AIT Pune. This is the screenshot and feature overview. In the middle, you are seeing the major screen where I have integrated the top gainer and top loser section. This is the first explore screen. On the just left of this, you are seeing the company overview, and on the topmost left you are seeing the top gainers. So on the topmost list you are seeing the implementation of ticker search, where I am implementing and searching the companies with their names, and even you can see the recent searches also. Also in company overview, you got the about the company, you got your all the current price, weekly high, market cap, PV ratio, and all these stuffs. And on the topmost right, we're seeing a dark theme implemented that was mentioned in the PPT, in the PDF. So I tried to implement the dark theme also. This whole application is I'm following the UI defined in the PDF. So this whole application is built on the UI based on the defined UI you all have assigned. So this is the explore screen. In the explore screen, user can access the top gainers and loser section. Basically, this is organized into two tabs, and on the bottoms you have a navigation of top gainers and top losers. Each section display a grid of card with essential stock and ETF information, and each card provide key details such as the stock, ETF name, current price, and percentage change. So basically, you can navigate, and it's completely dynamic. So when you are rendering the stuff, you got all these card populated there. We are using Alpha Vantage API as mentioned in the assignment. So we are using three API that mentioned, that is first is AlphaIntelligence, that is top gainers and losers. This endpoint provide a real-time data on stocks and ETF that are currently performing the best, top gainers, or worst, that is top losers. And then we have used this to populate the explore screen in the app that allows users to stay updated on the market trends. And then I have used the API of their fundamental data that is basically used in the product screen, where you are getting the company overview that provide detailed information about a company, including its profile, financial metrics, and management, used in the product screen. Okay, and I used this in the product screen to offer user a comprehensive view of the selected stocks or ETFs. So, and at the end, you have core stock API as in ticker search that allows users to search for stocks and ETF based on ticker symbols. And basically, we integrated seamlessly with the search function in the app that enhance our user experience. Now this is basically the data flow using the API. So I showed for the top gainer, top losers on the right, and basically what we are doing behind. So we start, and then for example user does some action, user interact with the app, select a stock, or open the explore screen. Then we check cache, check if the requested data is already cached or not. If cached, if it is not cached, proceed to the next step. If it is cached, uh, fetch from cache and display. And then at the first step, we are making a API request, send an API request to the appropriate Alpha Vantage endpoint. that is AlphaIntelligence, fundamental data, or core stock. That depends on what functionality you are doing. And then we are handling the loading state, the display loading integrated to the user. So basically I've integrated the loading panel also. And then in the sixth step you are getting the API response, like wait for the response from the API. That definitely depends on your internet connectivity also. In the seventh step, we are checking the response status. Like if the response is an error, proceed to the error handling step. And if the response is successful, like if you are getting the successful call from the response status, then proceed to the next step. In the step 8, we are passing the data, like pass the response data to extract the required information. And in the ninth, we are updating the cache, like keep that same we are doing in the third, like checking the cache. If cache, then fetch from the cache and display. So in ninth, we are updating the cache, update the cache with the newly fetched data for future requests. This is to like optimization. This call is to optimize our application. And then in the 10th step, we are displaying the data, update the UI with the fetched data, like populate the grid of card, update the product screen at etc. And in this 11th step, like we are handling the errors, like if the API response is an error, display and uh, appropriate error message to the users and all these stuffs. In the 12th, in the final step, we are handling empty step. If the response data is empty, like we are getting null from the API, then display a message of indicating no data is available. Basically that depends on the API. And in the 13th, we got the end. So basically this all steps are done to for the top gainer, loser, fundamental data. And means this I have given you the basic overview. And now this is the product screen. In the product screen, basically first when on the explore screen we tap, whenever you tap on the card, you get to the product screen. This provide detailed information about selected stocks or ETF. This includes a company overview and a detailed line graph of historical prices. And this feature like empowers users to make informed investment decision based on in-depth analysis. We gave you all the analysis we got from the API. This comes under the state handling. So basically we implemented error handling, loading and empty state for a smooth user experience. Whenever you're facing some error, you got a toast or like you got a log for that. And like myself, I'm ensuring the app remain user friendly even under difficult conditions. So I tried to give appropriate message whenever it falls under some error condition. Now the fifth point is research search and optimization. So basically in the research search and optimization, like we are showing you the recently searched item as suggestion in the search bar. This help users quickly revisit their past searches and discover relevant asset with ease. This optimize network bandwidth and asset with technique and with lazy loading. This ensure the app remain efficient and responsive. Actually in the recent search you have the cross at the end, so you can cross it out. And for example, I am searching for or I am searching for IBM. So I will get the recent searches in my just behind the search bar. Now this is the dynamic theme that I was talking in the first, where I'm showing you the screenshot of application. This allow users to switch between light and dark mode dynamically. On the top head you are seeing a icon of moon or like a icon of sun that come under the blue background. Just click on that. This basically enhance users experience and app versatility. uh, Now I'm going to the demo where I'm showing you the demo. And like for more detail you can visit the GitHub link and download the APK. Basically you can explore it in the web version, or you can explore it into the version using Explore Code. So let's just start with the demo. So let's begin with the explore screen. Here user can easily access the top gainers and top losers, which are organized into tab. Each section display a grid of cards, like containing essential information about various stocks and ETFs. So like making it easy to stay updated on the market trends. So I'm on the explore screen right now. Here user can easily access the top gainers and loser section, which are organized into the cards. And it is about the stock and ETF. Let's see how does it works. So on the like top, on the bottom you are seeing the top gainers and losers. So this is the top losers and this is the top gainers, which we are getting from the top losers and gainers endpoint. And on the right top you are getting this icon to toggle on the dark mode. and toggle on the bright mode. So I think it's cool. Now how the search is working, like let me search. So you're getting the search also, and you're getting the data about that. Like I'm searching for IBM. Let's search for IBM. So you're getting the data about the IBM also. So basically this how this works. And let's go to a top loser company like MCAC, and let's see how does it work. So the next we have the product screen. Like this page offers comprehensive information about a selected stock or ETF, including a company overview and a detailed line graph of historical prices. This feature like empowers users to make informed investment decision based on in-depth analysis. So we have implemented all this error handling stuff that I showed you also, like the loading, the error handling, and all these stuffs. Like for example, if you're getting some errors from API, or if you're getting some errors from our end, then you got a proper tools for that. Let's see for this. Cool. So you are getting the graph, you are getting the company name, the 52-week low, current price, 52-week high, market cap, and all these stuffs. Let me do one stuff. Cool. I am on the top gainers. I reloaded the data, and whenever I counter any uh, error, I got a toast for that. Like, let's search for this. Cool. So I'm getting the top gainer graph, their introduction, their industry as in, and their sector, their 52-week low, current price, week high, market cap, P ratio, beta, and profit margin. So basically we're seeing all this. I can do this for, and whenever you want to like reload, just like just push down the upper nav, then you get the updated data. So this is all about the Zura Bio Limited warrants and all these stuffs. So So basically, this all are done. Also, the ticker search is also implemented. The dark theme is also done. If you want to use this application, just go on the just go onto the archetype that I will provide to the Meghna ma'am, and just follow the steps given in the README, and then you can use it. You can use it in the web version, or also you can use in the using the Explore Go. It's totally up to you. uh, Also, for example, let me show a last company, that is this. So this is a top user company, and you are getting this about Royalty Management Holding Corporation. Royalty Management Holding Corporation is royalty company that identify and invest in undervalued assets. So this all is done. I think I am done with all demo and PPT. Once again, I am Ankit Kumar Singh, and I appreciate your time and attention. Happy investing with the uh, Groww Edge, and I love to do this assignment. Thank you. Thank you so much.